This is my one blade razor shaver. Yeah. The one blade system is an excellent and effective shaving system. However, there is a major problem. The blades need changing every 3 or 4 months and are very expensive. A set of blades can cost you almost the price of the shaver. Today I'll show you how to possibly get years of life out of the same blade. A shaving blade edge, the sharpness, could be around 4 to 8 microns thick. It depends on what kind of blade you use. And over time of usage, this blade, a microscopic layer of dead skin cells, chemicals and general debris will form over the edge of the blade. And this layer will get thicker over time and could add 2 to 4 microns to the edge, and this makes the blade dull. Is it time to replace the blade? I think not. With this method I can show you how I've been using this same blade for nearly 2 years. Actually, I've only used this blade around 1 year and 10 months. I could not wait to share this with everybody. I do not know how long this blade will last, but I think I have already achieved good value for money. And at this rate, a packet of 4 blades should last 8 years. And this means that your blades will probably last longer than your shaver machine. In the next video, I will zoom into this blade to show you what it's like before I sharpen the blade. And at the end I will place pictures of before and after so you can see, but the next video will be taken under a microscope. And here's the next video. Right, so now we've seen how dirty the blade is. Now we're going to show you how we're going to clean it. Okay, right, I tend to leave the blade connected to there. You can actually choose to remove it if you wish, but I think it's easier to do it this way around. And I get a toothbrush. You need a toothbrush and you need hand soap. Okay, don't use shaving cream or liquid soaps, right, because they leave a residue, right? So I'll just wet both of these and just get some soap on there. Wipe my hand off with the soap, right? And here we go. And this is all it takes, right? You just do this with it, yeah, and you clean it. You clean it this side and you clean it this side as well. Okay, and I'll just leave it at an angle like that and I clean it like that. Same thing with the back of the blade as well, if you know, because even that does get a little dull, and I can actually get into it behind it this way. It's the thing is that that micro layer of debris, of skin, etc. Builds up, and only with the hand soap you can remove this. Don't use any liquid soap because they do leave a residue. And just do this, right? Do it thoroughly, right? Just give it a minute or so of this, like this, okay, and then finally rinse it off, right? Got running water here, and rinse it off. Yeah. You might notice that my toothbrush is dirty. Well, this is only used for this purpose, so I'd recommend you use a toothbrush that you're not going to use back on your teeth again, okay? And just wash it off. Don't be fierce with it, nice gentle strokes. Okay, just nice gentle strokes. Nice gentle strokes. Make sure you cover both sides of this side of the blade and both sides of this side of the blade. Okay, that seems to is gone. And then a final rinse. I just hold some water in my hand and just dip it in there like this and shake it off. Switch off the tap. And now I'll make a video of it under a microscope, and here's the next video. As you have seen, the blade is now clean. It might not be 100% clean, it might only be 90% clean. It depends on how well you cleaned it. But I'm pretty confident that if you repeated this every couple of months, then or 2-3 months, when you think that the blade is going dull, you'll find that the blade keeps on giving. You can carry on using it again and again, and using the blade, so at least get more life out of it than the 3 prescribed months. I hope you like this video. Please like or subscribe to my novice videos, right? And I wish you good luck, and I will leave you with the before and after pictures. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.